North. 5 miles.
2019, expect light precipitation beginning in 5 miles for the next 30 miles.
Alright, 2019, copy, thanks.
ARC North 5 miles. Intercept track outbound. Radio 350. First thing first, where we are.
300 radio off the ground.
Which direction we going to turn?
Contact Seattle Center 128.3.
Guys, 2019, good day.
To the left. Okay. Which radio we going to be crossing after we turn left?
310.
Good. There you go. All set. But now, we know 5 miles, right? We check our winds again. So let's check our winds. One to the left. 83. Right, so our speed actually, we got some headwind, right? The winds are coming to do from here. Good. We know the situation of the winds. Good. You want the heater on? Yeah, let's get this little center. So let's get super center. 125. Tracking 125. Keep this heading, right?
That's 943 traffic. 12 o'clock, 3 miles, maneuvering 3000 indicator.
Okay, 43. God damn, where is this guy? You want to do 6 miles just because I have this guy here? Yeah, let's do 6.
Time total, please, talk. Seneca 24 Delta, expect scatters or light precipitation in the next 20 miles.
24 Delta, roger.
That's 943, traffic, no factor, additional traffic, 9 o'clock, and 1 mile south on 2800 indicated.
Okay, 43. Alright, so in order to get your 6 miles, be careful. Did you see this one? Oh, I think you cross. Oh. Okay, so let's turn right. The winds are blowing you away, right? So you're heading, oh, you just crossed 330 is going to be the next one. Your heading has to be 060 or more because otherwise you're going to fail here. So let's turn all the way to the east side because the winds are blowing you. Yeah, good. Winds coming. This one we're going to select what? Nice. Crossing.
Stephen, Portland, Alaska, 659 with you to 16,700, descending via the hood with Juliet.
Alaska 659, phone approach, expect ILS runway 1 to right.
ILS 10 right, ILS 6.
And now remember, 350 is the one we want to go away, right? 65, good job back here. Need to do a live turn. Time we don't need.
Time. And Ryan, my set is 16,000, temperature minus 16 for Alaska 659.
We should think we're going to be the winds is blowing you, so. More back. There we go.
And Alaska 690, say minus 16?
Affirmative.